Building a profitable Shopify store using only AI tools. Part 1. The Hook. The death of traditional e-commerce. Visual cinematic shots of a dark room, only the glow of a monitor. Close-ups of code, pixels, and a hand clicking a mouse. Music. Deep, pulsing synth bass. Narrator. Everything you know about e-commerce is dead. The days of spending months researching products, thousands on designers, and weeks writing the perfect copy are over. We are living in the era of the wealth machine, a fully functional, profitable business built by silicon and algorithms. Narrator. Imagine a store that designs itself, a store that knows what people want before they even search for it. In this video, I'm not just showing you a tutorial. I am challenging the status quo. I am building a highly profitable Shopify store from zero to launch using only AI tools. No human designers, no human writers, no human researchers. Just me, my laptop, and the most powerful AI tools of 2026. Narrator. From finding a winning niche to generating cinematic ad creatives, we are going to automate the entire process. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the technical wall of starting a business, this is your bridge. Let's build the future. Part 2. The Brain. Product research with Deep Logic AI. Visual screen recording of Perplexity AI or ChatGPT-5 interface. Fast-paced data scrolling. Narrator. Step 1. The Brain. A store is only as good as what it sells. Most people fail because they follow saturated trends. We aren't going to guess. We're going to analyze. Narrator. I'm using Perplexity AI and SparkToro to scan real-time market sentiment. I'm asking the AI to find underserved niches with high emotional pain points but low aesthetic competition. Look at this. The AI identified a massive gap in eco-friendly modular desktop organization for remote workers. It's not just a shelf, it's a productivity ecosystem. Narrator. Next, we need the product. I'm feeding this data into Minia and Zonguru's AI modules. Within seconds, it finds a manufacturer on AliExpress with a 4.9 star rating and a modular design that fits our criteria. Total time spent, 4 minutes. A task that used to take 3 days is finished. Part 3. The Soul. Branding and Identity with Midjourney. V7. Visual. Midjourney generating stunning high-end logos. Beautiful color palettes appearing on screen. Music, uplifting, orchestral. Narrator. A brand isn't a logo, it's a feeling. But since we don't have a $5,000 branding agency budget, we're using Midjourney V7 and Luca. Our brand name, Aura Flow. It sounds premium, zen, and functional. Narrator. I'm prompting Midjourney. Minimalist luxury logo, geometric lines, sage green and charcoal palette, high-end tech aesthetic, 8K resolution. Look at these results. These aren't just logos, they are identities. I'll take option 3, refine it with Canva's AI Magic Studio, and boom, we have a brand book that rivals Silicon Valley startups. Narrator. Every color code, every font choice, determined by AI to trigger specific psychological responses in our target audience. We are building a psychological trap for success. Part 4. The Architecture. The one-click Shopify build. Visual, rapid-fire clicks on the Shopify dashboard. Use of Shopify Magic and Page Pilot AI. Narrator. Now let's build the house. We're heading to Shopify. Using their new Shopify Magic and the Atlas AI Store Builder, I'm going to describe my vision. A sleek, one-product-focused landing page for Auraflow, focusing on minimalism and productivity. Narrator. Watch this. The AI is literally dragging and dropping sections. It's writing the headers. It's optimizing the layout for mobile conversion. It's setting up the navigation. In 2026, you don't build a website, you describe it into existence. Narrator. But the secret sauce? The copy. I'm using Jasper AI with a custom brand voice memory. I uploaded our brand values and now it's generating product descriptions that don't just list features. They tell a story. It's using the IDA framework, attention, interest, desire, action, to hook the customer from the first sentence. Part 5, The Illusion, AI product photography and video, visual before and after of a low-quality supplier photo being turned into a high-end commercial shot using Flare.ai or Adobe Firefly. Narrator. Here is where 99% of beginners fail. Ugly photos. If your store looks like a cheap drop-shipping site, you're dead on arrival. But we have a secret weapon, Flare.ai and Kling AI. Narrator. I take a raw, boring photo from our supplier. I drop it into Flare. I tell the AI, place this product on a high-end walnut desk. Soft morning sunlight hitting the wood, 35mm lens blur, cinematic lighting. Instantly, we have professional photography that looks like it cost $10,000 to shoot in a studio. Narrator. And for the video, I'm using Hagen and Luma Dream Machine. I'm generating a 15-second cinematic clip of a person successfully using the Auraflow system. No cameras, no actors, just pure generated high-conversion content. Part 6, the engine marketing on autopilot. Visual dashboard of adcreative.ai, Predis.ai. Social media posts being scheduled automatically. Narrator. A store without traffic is just a billboard in the desert. We need an engine. I'm using adcreative.ai to generate 50 different high-converting ad banners for Meta and TikTok in under 60 seconds. The AI scores each design based on its database of millions of successful ads. Narrator. For organic growth, I'm using Predis.ai. It analyzes our niche and automatically creates 30 days of Instagram Reels and TikToks, complete with captions, trending audio, and hashtags. My job? Just hit approve. Narrator. And finally, the customer service. I'm installing Gorgias AI. It will handle 80% of customer inquiries, tracking, and refunds without me ever opening an email. This isn't just a store, it's a self-sustaining ecosystem. Part 7. The reveal, conclusion, and next steps. Visual. The narrator standing in a scenic location or a very modern office. The final store is shown on a tablet. Music. Epic, concluding theme. Narrator. In less than 30 minutes of actual work, we have built a brand, a store, and a marketing machine. What used to require a team of 10 now only requires a person with a vision and the right prompts. Narrator. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the barrier to standing out has never been higher. Everyone has AI, but not everyone has the human touch to guide it. You are the conductor. The AI is your orchestra. Narrator. The store we built today, Auraflow, is live. It's clean, it's fast, and it's built to convert. The question is, are you going to keep watching people build the future, or are you going to build it yourself? Narrator. If you want the exact prompt list and the list of 15 AI tools I used today, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you believe the future of business is AI. Narrator. I'm your name, and I'll see you in the next one. Visual. Fade to black with a simple call to action. Start your AI journey today.